I was doing a community service thing, and I actually got some chemical industrial strength sanitizer on my stomach and actually received a chemical burn on my stomach from doing that.
Chemical burn.
Okay.
So
what it sounds like, Hillary, is that you may have a product liability claim. And so there's three ways basically that you could have a product liability claim. You can show that the warning was inadequate, that the product was manufactured defectively, or that it was manufactured defectively. Let's throw out manufactured. That's usually the hardest one to prove. But the design and really the warning claim is probably the most often claim brought from a product side. It's going to depend on what the warning on the bottle said. Was it just hand sanitizer, or was it some other type of sanitizer? And then you're going to have to show that that warning, more likely than not, would have caused you not to have used that product. Because frankly, we've got warnings on everything now, and I think that people sometimes get tired of warnings. They get satiated. There's so many that we don't always heed them. But certainly, if you've got chemical burns, that's a very serious injury. I've done a lot of burn cases, and it's not going to be a simple case where I think a product manufacturer will just roll over and say, we'll pay you. So I do think you need to talk to a lawyer immediately.